Hi, I'm Lachie Mills,
I'm Cole Davies.
and this is 5 Questions with Cole. What's your most controversial hot take?
No pineapple on pizza.
Agree with that.
Not a fan.
Who's the best trash talker?
The Deegs. I'd have to say the Deegs. Oh, nah. Coop's pretty good too.
He's got
Web.
a dog in him.
I know.
What do you got? Weirdest thing you've had to autograph?
I don't know, like someone's forehead. It's not that bad, but someone's forehead.
Least favourite food and why?
American food, because New Zealand food's better.
Agree with that. What's the most chaotic thing that has ever happened on press or race day?
Probably getting landed on.
Yep. Thanks for watching. That's been 5 Questions with Cole Davies.